Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is time for a shave, and it's getting time for another haircut. For Will It Shave Wednesday, I want to say thank you to Pete over at Hendricks, and he sent me this razor to review, and this is called the Smooth Operator, and it's pretty hefty. It feels nice in the hand. It even has the little logo on the bottom that can't really focus in with the camera. But yeah, it looks like a nice razor. It feels great. I haven't shaved with it, so let's go ahead and load up the blade. And so my blade of choice is going to be the Gillette Silver Blue. And on this particular razor, the studs are in the top cap, so you're just going to go ahead and lay that in there. And I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. Speaking of glasses, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but my eyes are so bad that if it's farther than arm's reach away, I can't see it. So I don't have an alarm clock. Plus I use my cell phone as an alarm clock, but that's here nor there. I'm just going to do a little check here of blade alignment, and there is no play. There's no wiggle room with the blade alignment. There's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. The tabs do hang over slightly on each end. All right, now I can't shave without having some lather on my face. So today's soap is going to be by Stirling, and this is Duke, and this has been on the channel before. This is a nice masculine spicy scent, and it is a dupe to a cologne. And I do have the matching aftershave splash, and I think the last time I used this I didn't have the splash, and I got it, and whenever I got it, I forgot to get the glacial. But that's okay. It's cold outside. We got some freezing rain last night, and I don't plan on going outside. So the extra cooling, I don't need today, I guess. Well, maybe I do. I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using this beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush, and I picked this one because the logo has a little bit of blue in it, and I like to play the color theme game a little bit. So there you go, now you know. And I'm running this soap a little on the thin side because I want to experience the razor for what it is. And Pete knows the deal. I'm one of those guys that I'm not sugarcoating anything. I want to tell you how it is, like it is, whether it is what it is. But, you know, these are all preference things. You know, your preferences may be different than mine, so your experience may be different than mine. But Pete says he likes my style, and he says if it's not good, make the video and say it's not good. If it's good, say it's good. So that's what I'm doing today. Let's go ahead and get the shave going. Warm up the razor. I've got a bowl full of cold water. I don't really have any specs on this razor, but I can tell you that the handle is a little longer than some of the other razors I've used. So I'm just going to kind of hold it right about here because that's where it feels comfortable to me. Plenty of residual slickness there. Stirling never lets me down. And this razor does feel pretty smooth. It will help if I have the razor head in the right direction. So we had a little bit of freezing rain and snow come in last night, and it was just enough to kind of cover the grass. But I've got skylights in my room and several places throughout the house. And if you guys have experienced those, you know that when it rains or has freezing rain, you'll hear the little tink, tink, tink on the window. And that did wake me up a couple times last night. Razor is performing very well. I would say this razor falls into the mild category, and it really kind of reminds me of the Mula DE89 head. So if that's a razor that you love, let's take a look at the lather here. Yep, nice. So if that particular razor is a razor that you enjoy, or it fits your skin and beard criteria, this would definitely be a razor for you. And you guys know I enjoy a razor that is a little bit more aggressive than this, but this would definitely be a daily shaver and it would perform well. Yep. I kind of would like it to be a little closer of a shave. But like I said, if this was something that you're shaving with every day, or if you're more than a 2-pass shaver, you could accomplish a very nice BBS shave. I don't chase the BBS. I just like a darn fine shave. And there's 2 reasons for that. 1, I get some irritation right in here no matter what I do. And 2, about 20 to 45 minutes, it's not going to be baby butt anymore. 3, my wife doesn't touch my face enough to know the difference. So why put myself through that? All right, I'm going to get cleaned up and I will be right back. This shave, let me tell you a little bit how this shave was inspired. So you know that Stirling always sends, with an order, a little bar soap or body soap sample. And over the years, I've just kind of thrown a lot of those into a box. And since I've been doing some den thinning, I kind of was looking at that those bars of soap, and every so often I will go through and use one. And yesterday I had grabbed the Duke, and when I was showering with it this morning, I thought, you know what would go great with this scent of my body is the actual shave soap. And so I figured, why not? Let's just break it out. I'm going to use the matching stuff. It's not matching. I'm thinking about matching body soap and matching shave soap. I'm using the Star Jelly. I don't know if it's me, but my brain just seems like it can't stay focused here lately. All right, well, that is the shave for the day. I got a little bit too much Star Jelly on, so that'll help evaporate it. But I will put a little picture right here of everything that I used, and I will see you guys on Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week.